Hi, and welcome to Language Dim Sum, Import and Export Series, How to Import from China for Beginners, the first chapter, Product Analysis.
In this module, we will be using the 4 P's factors as a guide to highlight the important consideration factors for importing from China. Let us begin with the first P, the product itself. The big question, what type of products do you intend to sell? Before you answer that question, let us take a look at the different types of product categories and learn how to pronounce them in Chinese. Are you ready? Let us begin.
Product 产品产品产品 Product. Product types or categories. 商品分类商品 commercial products. It is the formal business vocabulary for products. 分类 means type or category. 商品分类商品分类 product types or category. Accessories, watches, and wearables. 配饰腕表配饰 accessories 腕表 means watches and wearables. 配饰腕表配饰腕表 accessories, watches, and wearables. Automotive 汽车消费汽车 means car. 消费 means consumables. 汽车消费汽车消费 automotive. Clothing, shoes, and bags. 服饰鞋包服饰 clothing 鞋 shoes 包 bags. 服饰鞋包 clothing, shoes, and bags. Computers and electronics. 电脑数码电脑 computer 数码 digital 电脑数码电脑数码 computers and electronics. Daily essentials 日用百货日用 daily 百货 essentials 日用百货日用百货 daily essentials. Fresh food and groceries 食品生鲜食品 food products 生 means raw 鲜 means fresh 食品生鲜食品生鲜 fresh food and groceries. Gaming 游戏游戏游戏 gaming. Home appliances 家用电器家用 home 电器 appliances 家用电器 家用电器 home appliances. Office accessories 办公设备办公 office 设备 accessories or equipment 办公设备办公设备 office accessories. Personal care and cosmetics 个护化妆个护 personal care 化妆 cosmetics 个护化妆个护化妆 personal care and cosmetics. Sport and outdoor 运动户外运动 sport 户外 outdoor 运动户外运动户外 sport and outdoor. Toys and media 玩模乐器玩模 toys 乐器 music instrument 玩模乐器玩模乐器 toys and media. Niche product 利基产品利基产品利基产品 niche product.
Finding your niche product can be a good business strategy as you focus on a specific target market. In the competitive business world, it is always to our advantage to have limited competition and focused outreach. As you are focusing on the unique target market, you enjoy the benefit of commanding the price, building a strong business relationship and customer loyalty.
Unique selling point 独特的卖点独特 unique 的卖点 selling point 独特的卖点独特的卖点 unique selling point.
The unique selling point. What makes your product better than your competitors? Why must customers buy from you? What attracts them to buy from you? So, what are your unique selling points? It gets you to think, isn't it? Now the following sentences are questions to help you find your unique selling point. Are you ready? Let us begin.
Would you buy and use the product yourself? 你自己会买和用这个产品吗？你自己 yourself 会买 will buy 和 and 用 use 这个产品吗？ This product 你自己会买和用这个产品吗？你自己会买和用这个产品吗？ Would you buy and use the product yourself? What problems does this product solve? 这产品能解决什么问题？这产品 this product 能 is able to 解决 solve 什么 what 问题 problem 这产品能解决什么问题？这产品能解决什么问题？ What problems does this product solve? How is the quality of the product? 这产品的品质怎样？这产品 this product 的品质的 quality 怎样？ How is it? 这产品的品质怎样？这产品的品质怎样？ How is the quality of the product?
Now is the time to evaluate your learning progress. It is recommended that you revise the previous lesson section before you move on to the assessments. Proceed when you are ready. In this assessment, please listen to the following words in English and translate them into Chinese. Pause the video and answer the questions before you proceed. Are you ready? Go ahead, we are all cheering for you. You can do it.
Question 1. Gaming. Gaming.游戏gaming. Question 2. Computers and electronics. Computers and electronics. Điện não数码电脑数码电脑数码 Computers and electronics. Question 3. Fresh food and groceries. Fresh food and groceries.食品生鲜食品生鲜食品生鲜 Fresh food and groceries. Niche product. Niche product.利基产品利基产品利基产品 Niche product. Question 5. Unique selling point. Unique selling point.独特的卖点独特的卖点独特的卖点 Unique selling point.
Now that you have learned how to pronounce most of the product categories in Mandarin, you can use it to your advantage to search for your choice of trade centers. Depending on your destination of the visit, there is a vast variety of wholesale market based on their categories. Too many options lead to confusion. To save time, effort and getting the most out of the business trip, it is recommended that you do your own research and choose one destination based on your choice of market. Paying a visit to the wholesale market is always a good option because you can have a first-hand experience of the products and compare different products, price and services in a single trip. On the other hand, if you are visiting a factory, you may not be able to inspect product samples because most factories manufacture the products by order, and does not keep all of their products in stock due to limited space management. Language Dim Sum wishes you success in your journey of finding your top-selling product.
The international trade compliance and logistics world has a huge number of terms, names, methods, events, and it is ever-changing. Language Dim Sum Import and Export Insider's Secret provides you with practical business experiences, the common entry methods into the Chinese market. You can enrich yourself with the provided knowledge to flourish in the import and export business. However, this guide is made available for informational purposes only. It is to your advantage to do your own research and consult professional investment guidance before making a financial decision. Language Dim Sum wish you success in your import and export business.